Hey YouTube, welcome back to the bench. Today we got a new box in the mail. I don't even remember what's in it. Ordered it so long ago. So let's check it out. Got some tires. And a body. And it is a kit. Rear suspension, front suspension, floor panel, chassis, wing, and an instruction book. And this is called the ZD Thunder B10E. 1/10 scale, 4-wheel drive, electric off-road buggy. And like I said, it's a kit made by ZD Racing. And looks like it's partially put together. Save you a lot of time and effort. The rear end is already put together, front end. The rear end is already put together. And there's a bucket of parts here, bag of parts, gears, steel gears, metal gears, let's put that way. Pretty solidly built. Springs are very slow. Very interesting. The return on these springs is something crazy. But yep, doesn't come with a motor, doesn't come with receiver, doesn't come with a transmitter. It is just a buggy. So we'll be building this one. Once I get it built, I'll let you know what electronics I'm going to put in it and what it does after you build it. Alright, well, thanks for coming to the channel. We're hoping that we're going to have some more unboxing of different vehicles. I have a few boxes over here. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Alright, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. We have an unboxing video today. This bad boy came in the mail. I'm not even sure what it is. I have things that I ordered from overseas that has taken a long time to get here. So we are unboxing something that showed up, and I don't even know what it is. It's in the obligatory white box. this is crazy. They sent me 2 of these vehicles, and I only ordered 1. That's pretty amazing. So, I don't know what I'm going to do with the second one. Maybe I'll build 2 and have a race. Who knows? That's pretty crazy. Alrighty. I only paid for 1. And they sent me a second. That's kind of crazy.